No.
Hi guys, I'm Afton and welcome back to my channel. Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to make homemade hand sanitizer. Right, this entire world is going through a crisis right now and supermarket do not have hand sanitizer, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how to make your own hand sanitizer at home. Right, so I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up and also please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients for my homemade hand sanitizer. So these are my ingredients for my homemade hand sanitizer. I just picked some fresh aloe vera from my backyard. I have an empty bottle. I have essential oil, but I have it in tea tree flavor. Rubbing alcohol, it must be over 70%, and also a food processor. So let's get started. So our next step is to put the aloe vera into the food processor and blend it up. So I'm gonna blend it up in the food processor now until it gets smooth. Okay, so after you finish blending up your aloe vera, you're gonna pour it into this mesh. Here you could either use an old netting or so, but I'm just gonna use this here. And then you're gonna squeeze it out just like this. Right? Gonna squeeze it out. So we'll be back. So when you finish straining it, this is how it's looking here. So you're gonna do now, you're gonna use your rubbing alcohol. It must be over 70%, between 70 to 99%. So you're gonna take your rubbing alcohol here and I'm gonna pour it into this cup here. And then I'm gonna pour in my aloe vera. And then I'm gonna mix it up together. Right? And this is the texture here. Just like if you make, just like if it's a real, if you had bought the ready-made one. Alright? And you're gonna, if you wanted to have a little flavor, you're gonna use your essential oil. You're gonna put a couple, about 8 drops to give it a nice smell. And you're gonna mix it up together. And you're gonna get your bottle here. And you're gonna pour your aloe vera into your bottle.
That is mono.
Okay guys, so this is my homemade hand sanitizer here in the bottle. So I'm gonna spray mine in my hands, you see? It feels just like the ready-made hand sanitizer. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoy watching this video. Give my video a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload another video. And you guys can follow me on Instagram, Cooking with Afton, and follow me on Facebook, Cooking with Afton. And you guys please be safe out there, alright? If you don't have any ingredients to make your own homemade hand sanitizer, just remember to wash your hands for 20 seconds as often as you can. Take care. Bye.